Lots of crying, lots of fussing to get this done. She would just not stop. We tried to distract her as much as we could to get this style done because she was not cooperating with us until we gave her some snacks and some distractions. But yeah, this is what her hair looked like before. Hey, don't you touch my phone, girl. Hey. Yes, this is what your hair looks like before. Before. Let's touch you. Smile. Say hi. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, baby. Oh, now she's playing with baby brother. Give a few more minutes to play. Hi. Hi.
Stops. It keeps going and going and going. Woohoo!
Gotta bribe her to do her hair. Gotta give her some bob. Hey, Laylay. Time to do your hair. Ready to do your hair, Laylay? Are you ready? Ooh, wow. Oh, it's wet, isn't it, girl? Hi. Say hi. Say hi, friends. Hi. You can do your hair now. Is it hurting you? Very sorry. Okay, you just be more too dramatic then. Should you watch Mr. Tumble? She likes spraying that there, spray it. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. She's spraying herself in the face. She likes doing it. I don't know why. Gets shocked every time. Tanta, where's the hairband you took out her hair? And they're on your dresser. Let me detangle it. Spray it this way. It's spraying it the wrong way. Spray it that way. Wow. He's both. Okay, I'm gonna go get them. So I need to detangle it and then put the hairband in. Where's the Google room? Hi. 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 I don't know yet. Lion King, my brother. Oh my goodness, girl. Stop. So back to detangling her hair. So we had to turn the TV on to distract her with the TV. So her mum's trying to detangle it with water and coconut oil. We did it as fast as we could because we don't want to be taking an extra long time on her hair because she's just going to get so frustrated. See the headbands. So after detangling it, she's just going to section it into sections so that it stays, it doesn't get tangled up again.
Did we ever go there? Oh yes, Mufasa. That's exactly where we're headed.
So she's finally finished detangling her hair, and now it's my turn to get started. So I just undid the hairbands that she put in to separate it. So I'm gonna start with doing some cane rows at the front. Once I do cane rows at the front, I'm just gonna catch up the back into 3 sections. So this is just basically a quick, simple hairstyle just to get her looking decent in the house because her hair looking quite of a mess right now. So here we go. We just part in the section at the front where we're gonna put the cane rows, but she would not stop moving. She giving me attitude, throwing everything all over the place. See what I mean? I don't know how some of you guys have kids, because this is a lot. This is a lot. This is a lot. But yeah, so go back to the sections. We part in the section for the key and Rose. Here she goes again with her tantrum. Try to dance, give her some distraction, but that wasn't working. She's trying to push me out the way, but hey, we continue and we ain't gonna stop till we finish. So she grabbed the comb from me. Anyway, I'm trying to get this section out of the way so I can start the cane rolls. Once I get that section out of the way, I can continue doing the cane rolls. I did about 4 or 5 cane rolls, I think, at the front, and then we just catched up the back as it is. Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me.
Yes, Jesus loves me. It keeps going and going and